All right, guys, today is the day. Oh my goodness. So, this is a day that the Lord has made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. So, I'm bringing you along. I'm getting my second Pfizer shot, and I just wanted to share that with you because it's such a beautiful sunny day. So, come on, let's do this. God has his hands on you.
You're not bleeding, would you like a bandito?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, so that was the second one. It wasn't so bad. Keep me in your prayers. No side effects. I'm not claiming it. So you gotta sit out here for 15 minutes. So, gotta sit here for 15 minutes. Make sure everything is okay. Back in the car, I'm headed home. It started to rain. Today's Wednesday. And then I will update. I'll come back on and I'll update you tomorrow. I'm praying that all is well, no side effects. They say that you could possibly have a little bit of joint pain, possibly a low-grade fever. So I am just praying because I'm trusting, and I'm praying that all is going to be well. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. It means a lot that you are tuning in. Some are just curious and others are here for the support, and I just truly thank you. And yes, it's me. I got my double mask on, but anyways, thank you so much. Appreciate all of you. If you want to see more, I'll probably post tomorrow just to let you know, or even later this evening to let you know how I'm feeling. But I'm hoping that I will be fine. Keep watching. If there's more, I will add it to this video and I will post it out for Friday. All right? As always, stay loving, be kind.
And enjoy that hot or room temperature.
Hot, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So there it is, my free donut. Morning. It is another beautiful day. I am in the garden. I went ahead and picked up all my cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and I recently started planting my tomatoes. That way now I have room for possibly 6 more tomato plants, and then I might add a little bit more herbs because I really love my herbs. So that is what I'm doing today, picking my cabbage. And if you like to see more, keep watching.